Welcome to my channel. My name is Lex and this is my new channel. In today's video, we're gonna try to make pizza. Let's start with the ingredients. 600 ml of water, 1 kilograms of 00 flour. Choose your own. I choose this one. I'm not gonna tell you which one is that. First, I wanna try to make this pizza and then we talk. 30 grams salt and 2 grams of yeast, fresh yeast. All right, let's get ready. Okay, first thing first, we start by adding the water, salt in the water, and we dissolve it. And once it's done, we start adding flour. I saw this recipe on a Vincenzo's plate video. I think it was Giovanni Di Francesco. I really liked that video. I got inspired and I believe it's the one that works for me. I don't have much experience in doing pizza. That's why I'm not gonna call it Napolitan pizza because someone will kill me. I just make pizza. Trying to, improve myself. Once we got the right consistency, we drop the fresh yeast. This is gonna dissolve very fast. It's working. Now we can add the flour. This is 1 kilo flour, 600 ml of water, 60% of hydration. I'm happy. Yo, fame! I'll link Vincenzo's video up here so you can have more specific on timing, tips on how to make dough ball. Looks good. There you go. Now see the bench, it's very clean. We're gonna keep going for 10, 15, 20 minutes, I don't know, it's usually depending on where the gluten start working. You're gonna see the surface of the pizza dough smoother. That's where we're gonna stop. Looks good to me. And it comes back. I'm so tired. All right, so now we're gonna cover it, let it rest for 2 hours. Then we're gonna make the pizza bowl. After 24 hours, the pizza bowl were beautiful and easy to manage because of the kind of flour. As you can see, it's not hard for me to open it up even though I don't have the best technique. This is actually my second pizza and I'm actually quite happy with the result. There's no secret in making pizza, but you need a very good oven. This one was the Pizza-Gozney Roccbox, which was running about 400 degrees. If you like this video and the final result, please consider subscribe to my new channel and I'll see you in the next one.